Hey, what's up, Safemoon holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. So once again, I'm present with another latest update of Safemoon. What's going on this time in the Safemoon? What's the current price? What's the price in the Safemoon? And my friends, you will be feel very happy after watching this interesting video. So absolutely, for happiness, keep on this video till the end. And remember to subscribe to this channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Anyways, let's start the video, my friends. So first of all, we look the latest price update of the Safemoon, and after that we discuss that what will be the next move coming soon in the Safemoon, my friends. So the latest price update of the Safemoon in the market is 0.000004 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Safemoon in the market. On the other side, if you talk about the price change occurring in the Safemoon, so the pricing is absolutely going positive, my friends. And that is why I show you on the thumbnail that Safemoon are going to the moon. Absolutely, I'm sure, and that's the reality that Safemoon are going to the moon, because you can see here the last 1 hour, that is the only now 10 minutes, last 10 minutes prices of the Safemoon. In the last 10 minutes the price become positive, so that's mean that there is a quick jump. And on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, I recommend, I predict that Safemoon will take a huge pump in this month, my friends. Remember, they'll take a huge pump and they will going to the moon, my friends. Safemoon are going to the moon. Very soon you will find in the moon, my friends. If you are an investor of Safemoon, so please, I recommend it this time for everyone to, it's time to hold, not to sell, because the pump is coming. And if you decide to sell it this time, so you are in the loss. And if you decide to sell in the future, absolutely, maybe tomorrow they take a jump and you will get a profit from a Safemoon. So this is how you can make a profit with the Safemoon, my friends. And what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Safemoon? Please also tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, my friends.